With the routine maintenance, our downtime for unscheduled breakdowns and things like that seem to have gone away to nothing, as we have enlisted the professionals to come in using the cowshed. For example, we use our cowshed provider to come in, and they're doing regular maintenance, not just once a year, but it goes across the year, so they're here once every 6 weeks. And it works because the cowshed doesn't break down. You know, everyone can kind of relate to, I've had a broken cowshed or a broken tractor, and you spend the money to fix that right there and then, but you don't quantify how long, you know, did it take 4 days for that part to come in or things like that. And we just don't see that anymore. We're able to foresee problems because we have the professionals coming to look at different things. You know, motorbikes getting serviced once every 6 weeks. The cowshed, like I say, someone's here once every 4 to 5, 6 weeks as well. I guess it just opened my eyes to be able to not be scared to spend the money early. That's probably a big thing, especially, you know, when I have somebody to report to on, hey, why are we doing this? And this is the proof.